Happy Friday, guys. Welcome to your Friday motivation message. It's the end of the week. You've worked hard, I hope. You have pushed through and you have made it to that TGIF moment that we all live for. Sad but true that a lot of us have to work full time and have to grind it out during the week to make ends meet. But the message that I'm bringing you this Friday is the work doesn't stop here. The weekend is an opportunity to really push for your goals. If you are anything like me, then you will know that your 9 to 5 stops on a Friday and your side hustle starts on a Saturday. And that's exactly what I want you guys to do this weekend. I want you to take time this Friday night to enjoy yourself, recharge, wind down from the week, take stock of what you've achieved. But the work doesn't stop there. Saturday morning, I want you to get up and I want you to grind and go for your goals. Whatever it is, whether it's a fitness related goal, whether it is a content creation related goal, whether it is a monetary goal, you need to go out there and make it happen. You have 2 days in the weekend, 2 days if you work full time, like Monday to Friday. That's not a lot of time, but I can absolutely guarantee if you maximize the hours that you have on Saturday and Sunday, there is no telling what you can achieve. You got the whole evening to wind down today, but it doesn't stop here. We carry on into the weekend, and I'm going to be with you guys on Sunday for my usual Sunday video, and you can treat yourself again on Wednesday with my usual Wednesday video. Share this video with your friends and family on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook so we can motivate everybody. You can check the link in the description box below for my social channels and follow me if you feel like it. Otherwise, if you're not already, subscribe and I will see you on Sunday. Bye!